What are you doing today?
Picking seeds dead.
Can you tell the kids how you get the seeds out? Where do you put the flour? In the bowl?
Not your seeds.
The seeds go separate from the flour?
No.
Looks like you're doing good so far.
Let me bake it. More seeds. Get some out. Get the seeds. Get the seeds, Daddy.
Good job.
I want it. This one is up. And it doesn't hang on my finger.
Yeah, you gotta be careful not to poke your finger.
It just tight hanging like my words.
Yeah.
Funny.
How many colors are on your good seeds?
White and black.
White and black, 2 colors.
Okay. You want to try this one now?
Let's see. White and black.
Ew, that's bubble.
Oh, it's okay. They fell in the bowl. They fell in the seed saver.
And this is not beef flavor. No. I think that's my butter from me picking my cucumbers out.
Oh, it's your bucket that you put your cucumbers in?
Yes, and my watermelon and my cucumbers.
Oh, okay.
My flowers.
Mm-hmm.
What was that? My body?
I think that was Daddy's body. He must be hungry.
No, right now. What's it? That body? What yes to no video of me petting seeds. Me like petting seeds with your dad and kids.
I like it so much that you help me with the seeds and you teach the kids how to get the seeds out.
Yes, like Mom and Dad.
Yes, that makes Mom and Dad happy. Who do you think will watch this video?
Maybe Annie Paul.
Yeah, who else?
And Annie.
Mm-hmm.
And Papa Paul.
Yes. And
Papa T.
yes.
Papa T is my favorite friend.
He is?
He's my body wobber.
Oh, yeah.
Bobby Wobber.
You're silly.
Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby Wobber. We're doing Bobby Wobber.
Who else is going to watch this video?
Bobby.
Maybe Grandpa Bill and Grandpa Gary, too.
I mean, probably Bobby, but.
Do you think Mina's going to watch you take the seeds out?
I think so.
Are you doing a good job of keeping the flour out?
Yes.
Thank you. You're such a big helper.
Whoa, it's for Wolfman head.
There's a lot of seeds on that one.
Yes.
Good job.
It is got seeds right now, kids, and me don't know what's happening in my finger. Oh my, me don't know what's happening in my body, kids. Tell yeah, kids don't what's happening in my body.
Do you think these seeds will grow up into pretty flowers?
Yes, think so, and this is happening, and it is just making a zombie.
No, it don't.
Yes, it do.
Where are we going to plant the seeds?
Maybe in my house.
We could plant some in the house. Where do we plant most of the seeds?
In my garden.
In your garden, yes.
And we will put in.
We'll put them in the dirt and put a little dirt on top.
Yes,
Then what will we do?
and work access.
Yeah, we'll work outside, but
And move wool picks.
and move wood chips, yes. But what helps the seeds come up?
2 hours.
In 2 hours, so I think it'll take longer than that.
Yes, is it?
Will it help them if we put them in the dirt and we put some water on them?
Wait.
It's a good one?
Uh-huh.
Is that a good one?
It's a little dirty.
Yeah, it's a little dirty. Let's not do that one, okay?
That one has good seeds.
It has dirty seeds. Let's wait on that one and let's pick a new one.
That one was a nice one.
Sometimes if they're not really white, maybe we don't want to keep them ones. They gotta be white and black, not dirty. Okay? We got a lot though. We got a lot to pick from. And pick a new one and see what that looks like.
What?
Ooh, them ones look better. There we go.
You want to put your seeds in here.
Yeah. Do you think Jackson and Mason are gonna watch this video?
I think so. Everyone does.
You think Gracelyn and Lucas would want to watch this?
Yes, everyone is dose.
You're silly.
I mean, we're called Ghostbusters.
You're a silly boy.
I mean, everyone is dose and we were called Ghostbusters.
You would?
Yeah, like in morning.
Right. Sing that song. That's a good song.
Ghostbusters! Fussing weird in Hammerhead. What you talk?
Ghostbusters. Alright, we're good.
Me like to sing
We could take that show on the road. Whoa!
Me like that show.
Yeah, I like that show too. It's a classic.
That show is weird.
It's a little weird for sure.
And it's how much mom in that song too.
Yeah, it does.
That funny. That happy much mom and I want to hug you.
Yeah.
Hug the world.
I know. He probably just wanted a hug, huh? He probably just wanted a big hug.
Yes, and he got eating from people and said, "Me want hug."
Yeah, he did.
Yes, and got some more to bed.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and try eat people off.
You gotta be careful not to spill your seeds on the ground, right?
Yes.
'Cause then it could poke your foot.
What a minute, what the other is? Seeds!
How many you got? You're actually getting really good at taking seeds out, buddy. There's no flowers in there. Oops, don't hit your arm.
And that hurts my nose.
Yeah, don't hit your arm on the table because that'll get you a boo-boo.
Yeah, those and put my nose on paper and hurt it.
Maybe. Maybe you just bumped it.
Maybe not. Maybe those did it. What do you
Yeah.
call Ghostbusters? Ghostbusters? Yes? Me got those in my ass right now. Please come here. Okay. Bye-bye.
Is that your phone?
Yes. My phone is toy. That's Father.
Answer it.
We can't. It's a toy.
Oh, it's crawling? I thought it was calling.
What do you mean by new one? That
Yeah.
one moved in my back? Oh, that one.
Answer it.
Ghostbusters, me got none of those in my ass. Come here right now, okay?
Okay, we'll drive the Ecto 1.
I go away. Okay. Junior.
Alright.
It's Ghostbusters.
You're getting a little off track. You're talking about your favorite movie.
Hi, Ghostbusters.
That's a classic, though. We really like that one.
Come here, okay.
It had an excellent script, and Bill Murray is funny, huh?
Sit pop in it. And get it down. It one. No noodles. Hi, noodles, but
Alright. Say, see you on the next one, kids.
No, me want to do it more.
I know, you love making videos, don't you?
I think so.
Alright, my little working man. Say, bye, kids.
No,
Grow your flowers.
no,
Say, grow your flowers.
no.
You just want to keep making this video longer.
Please, please, me.
You're such a good boy.
Me want to make it more. Please.
Okay.
Hmm. What is this that's dirty?
Oh, is that a dirty one or a good one?
Dirt one.
Let me see the seed.
It is bucket and got some poop everywhere.
Yeah, them ones look like dirty ones.
No. You fought to see.
Oh, they're okay. Yeah, we'll have to clean that up. Alright, cheers. See you on the next one.